Hey you guys, so real quick, how successful have you been on running your ads on social media? Have you seen new business coming in? Have you seen your repeat business increasing through all of your time and effort spent on social media? If not, then let's talk about the definition of insanity. If you look back this week, last week, a month ago, 2 months ago, a year ago, have you changed anything about the way you are marketing your company, your product? Have you done something differently, or have you been doing the same thing over and over and over, hoping for a different outcome? Social media today, super busy, super crowded. There's so much to know. So you understand how to set everything up on the Instagram, on your Instagram profile, how to set things up on Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, you name it, right? And to be really, really good, you have to have the know-how, you have to have the time and resources, and you kind of really need to stick to 1 or 2 profiles to do them well, 100%. Spreading yourself across all of these accounts, it basically is insanity, because you cannot be successful. You cannot devote 100% time to grow your business and then 100% of your time to do marketing on all of these social media accounts. Well, what if I told you that there is a different solution, that it doesn't have to be so difficult? If you have a mobile app, or if you're in the process of building one, or if you think and are debating whether a mobile app is a solution for you, here is why the answer is yes, yes, yes. If you have a mobile app, or if you're about to build one, what basically will happen through your mobile app is that you will have that direct relationship with your customer. You will be able to build that intimate, direct relationship with whoever downloads your app. There are strategies in place to, first of all, launch your app, make sure that people understand what it is about, that your content is great, it's problem solving, and that your customers know where to find your app, right? Then there are strategies to actually utilize your app and use it to its best potential, because when you build an app, it's one thing. It's a totally different ball game to actually use your app to your best potential, to its best potential, so that it does the work that it's meant to do. So doing the same thing over and over, insanity. Come on, let's not do this anymore. Let's take our business to the next level. Let's talk mobile apps and how mobile apps can grow your business. Super easy. Deliver great content, problem solving and engaging to your customers. Then connect with people on a regular basis through push notifications, sharing additional content on a regular basis. That is key. This way people kind of get in the habit of knowing that they will be hearing from you. Let's say Mondays, Wednesdays, or if their phone rings and they see a push notification, they will know that, oh my gosh, you have a special going on, and they need to be in the know about it, because they will save money. They will save time and resources looking for those specials that you're offering. So mobile app can make things so much easier for you. It can simplify literally the way you run your operation. And instead of you spending time and money over and over and over on social media that may not perform for you the way you would like to, you can send all this information through one simple push notification to everyone who has a mobile app. And you know what the beauty of it is? That it is just you and your customers. There is no social media noise. You don't have to compete with algorithms. You don't have to compete with any customers or any competition out there. It is literally just you and your customers. And if you continue to deliver content that is helpful, problem solving, if you do that on a regular basis, your customers will love your mobile app. They will love your mobile solutions that you're providing for them. They will continue shopping with you. They will share the mobile app with everyone else, and you keep growing your community. And that is really the bottom line, number one. And it is so easy. It is really that easy. Most mobile platforms also allow you to schedule your push notifications. So it's kind of like on social media, where you can go and kind of set everything up. On your mobile app, in your dashboard, in your background, you can do it as well. Once a month, you sit down, schedule all of your push notifications, and then you let your app do its thing. And then you just make yourself available to questions, or if people are reaching out to you, if you ask them to contact you for whatever it may be, you make yourself available. It's that easy. Again, no noise, no distractions. It is just you and your customers. So the definition of insanity is doing the same thing over and over and over and expecting a different outcome. So maybe it is finally time for you to take your future in your own hands and realize that if something wasn't performing for you, it's time to change it up. Mobile app may be just it. Give me a call, connect with me. Let's talk about your needs. Let's talk about some solutions that are available out there. I have some tutorials available. They're free of charge. I can help you with a lesson that is available, or we can do a free consultation. I'm here for you. I'm here to serve you and help you to really reach your potential. So give me a call, contact me, DM me. All the links are in the bio. Go and visit it right now. Thank you. Talk to you guys later. Ciao.